Hey guys, it's us again. I'm myself, Christopher, and my diminutive partner, Zach.
I am regular sized.
You are in the world of giants, my friend. My dad's got inches on me.
Welcome to the shop. For those of you who watch on a regular basis, you will say, that's not your shop, and you are correct. This is Christopher's dad's shop, and this is Christopher's dad's mill, which is what we are going to use to take our spindles and prep them to accept a big brake kit.
Not only does he have a mill, he's also got a lathe. And on this lathe, I'm going to be machining a tool to press out a lower ball joint.
Ball joint.
Ball joint.
Mm-hmm. Not a ball point. Ball joint. If you saw last episode, you will recognize the spindle from our Vanagon. This is a gauge that measures to the thousandth of an inch. Every tick mark is a thousandth of an inch. We know that this face was the machine face from the factory and is still reasonably flat. So we can pop this little guy right under there. We can move this gauge about on this face, and we are within 2/1000ths of an inch on that face. And I have fixtured it in. It's clamped as strong as I can get it in this vise. Slam down here, and that's not going to go anywhere. And so now I know that we are square, and we can mill these faces down and get a nice flat square surface to mount our brakes to.
Alright, we're going to stop and give an update here at this juncture because it's a good time. What we have here is the second operation, the drilling operation, staged and ready to go. The first operation, the facing operation, went like a breeze. No problem, no big deal whatsoever. Just cut straight off the top. But when it came to the drilling, well, the steel fought back. And it managed to utterly destroy two really nice drill bits and a third resharpening. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to pause here. We're going to come back again another day, come back at it with some carbide drill bits, I think is the next step up here. And then we will ream and size these guys. Alright, here's my tool. I worked on it for a fair bit, modified two of these cups, welded them together, permanent, added a little support bar, machined in a step, and everything should fit. Should work. It's sized to work, it's got all the clearances. It fits in the knuckle most importantly, which was the job. This was the job. Okay, so then that'll press right out. And here shortly we'll give it a chance. Okay. Okay, here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes.
We need a break bar.
Wow, it's on there. It's on there pretty good so far. We're gonna keep trying things. Okay, readjustment. Readjustment. This guy. All right, what breaks?
It's gonna come out.
All right.
Alright.
You are in the world of giants, my friend. My dad's got inches on me. Okay.
There's a lot of forces at play right there. Here.
All right, well, the ball joint won this round. We'll be back. We're gonna figure something else out. Something bigger. Something scarier. As far as the lower ball joint goes, we gave it all we got, and that wasn't enough. So the next step up is a 50-ton press, and I think that might be coming up soon. Well, that's it, guys. We're very thankful for my father lending us his shop in the exchange for assembling his plasma table. I'm sure he won't mind that we're in here poking around.
Plasma table, you said?
This is how a CNC machine draws a circle.
Thanks for watching, everybody, and remember to look for CNC plasma cut parts in a video near you. Be good, people.